How hard do you think it is for distributors to stock and ship WellHose Easy Drop Pipe? Well, it isn't hard at all. It's a flexible hose, and selling it to your customers is also easy. Let me show you. WellHose replaces the standard drop pipes used with submersible pumps by offering easier installation and retrieval than PVC, polypipe, or any other drop pipe. We have lots of videos about that. But how do you benefit as a distributor? Well, WellHose takes up much less storage space and is easy to dispense, pack, and ship. WellHose comes to you on a continuous 3,000-foot roll, which fits on a single pallet, as shown in the background here. Note this footprint. The amount on one pallet is equivalent in length to 150 20-foot sticks of PVC pipe. Now, let us show you just how easy it is to pack and ship this product. Place the roll of WellHose on an A-frame and spool off the required length for each order using the WellHose roller. We've used our own custom roller here. This is easy to move around, and you can roll up to 330 feet of 1 1/4 inch WellHose on this unit. But really, anything similar will do. WellHose has markings every 6 feet along its entire length, so it's easy to get the proper amount. Then, while wearing safety gloves, cut the WellHose to length with a sharp knife. Place a band of packing tape around it and fold it into a box. Now, pack the end connectors, cable straps, and centralizer kit, and you're good to go. A submersible pump installation kit in a box. Just drop it off to your friendly neighborhood delivery service and you're on your way. We hope to hear from you soon.